In this video, I'll be winning with each weapon inside of Animal Rivals. This includes regular guns, melees, and grenade launchers. This video was crazy fun to record, and I would appreciate if you guys could go down, press that subscribe button, and hit that like button. That's enough yapping for me. Let's hop to the first gun, which is pistol. So let's just get this out of the way. In my first game on, so I might be a little bad. One more shot and he should be dead. Okay, well he killed me, but I killed him too. Alright, the next gun's gonna be Uzi, so let's just...
Round starting.
With Uzi, I'm gonna try to get close. Ah, frick. It's gonna be a little harder than I thought, but it should...
Round starting.
Okay, well, I did die 2 times, but I know how to play against him. I'm gonna just wait for him to use his katana, then push him.
Round starting.
Yep, he's gonna be right in front of me. There we go, we're off Uzi now. Hop on Deagle. Okay, I'm pretty good with Deagle, so this shouldn't take too long. Just wait for him to push me with katana again.
Round starting.
Drop it. He goes up? No? Yeah. Okay, got Deagle, SMG now. Oh no, we got a sticky grenade launcher. Alright, there we go. This one's gonna be difficult. So my plan is I'm just gonna stick him and try to hide the rest of the game.
Round starting.
This is gonna be difficult. I think I might need to go to a bigger map for this. He's just gonna chase me down.
Round starting.
Yeah, that doesn't mean. I'm not sure why I'm bending my head. Yes, I got him. Ah, no, I'm dead. Yeah. Okay, this should be doable. I'm thinking we do trenches, because I can just hide in trenches. Yeah, so as I said, just stick him and run. But first, I gotta sneak up on him.
Round starting.
Ah, big. I missed it. Oh, that sounds sick. What the hell? I did not know they added that. Oh, what the heck? I killed him. Okay, well, I guess that counts. Next is Revolver. I don't ever remember agreeing to that.
Snipers on me?
That's not even a sniper. I'm awful with Revolver. Okay. I'm getting reported. Why?
Round starting.
There, I missed that. Okay, shurikens shouldn't be too hard. I haven't used Crossbow yet, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be good with it or not.
Round starting.
I missed it. Missed all my shots. I'm not even cheating though. I don't know what this kid's talking about. He thinks I'm up there, so I'm just gonna push from below. Ah, frick, he was one shot.
Round starting.
Is that a sticky grenade? Just run right to it. Is that Mr. Greedy? Hopefully he doesn't see me because I am not getting a single kill. I mean, it's doable, but it's gonna be difficult. I'm not sure what map to do.
Round starting.
Oh, I'm finally off. I'm finally off it. No more. I'm on the crossbow now. I have not used this thing before, so it's gonna be difficult. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be on crossbow for a little while. Okay, I'm gonna use the strategy that I've seen other people use and just push and try to get
Round
headshots.
starting.
Come on, he's one shot. No, he was 10 HP. I'm gonna struggle quite a bit. Frick, bro. The reload time on the crossbow is quite a bit. Okay, yeah, this challenge is harder than I thought.
Round starting.
160? Oh, no, I sold. Oh, frick, I sold. Alright, one more attempt. Ah, okay, maybe I should. Okay, I think I can get a kill with crossbow now.
Round
Let's
starting.
just. Hopefully, this kid isn't as good as the last guy I faced. Okay, there we go. I'm off crossbow now. That took a while. Alright, we're on an auto shotgun now. Okay, now we're on AK. Finally, guns that I can actually win with. Okay, that was close, but I got him with AK. Sniper. I'm not too good with sniper, but I'll try.
Round starting.
Wow. Okay, hop on shotgun now. Oh no, the knives are coming up. This isn't good. Ah, I missed. Final one.
Round starting.
There we go. Alright, next up we got Katana.
Match.
Now this
starting.
isn't my first time recording this. I've recorded this 2 times now.
Round
The other 2
starting.
got corrupted, so this is my 3rd time recording this. So I've used this quite a bit, and every time I've recorded this, the Katana has been the worst weapon. No. What the hell? Ah yes, I got off Katana early. Thank God. We got AI next. There we go. Next up we got Burst. This Burst skin is hella cool.
Round starting.
Like, this just is sick. It's reactive too, right? Look at that. And I died. Okay, I'm gonna try pushing up and using Burst instead. It seems like it's that way. There we go. Alright, next up we got Longsword. This one should be easier because my movement with Longsword is actually wild.
Round starting.
Ah, okay, this is gonna be hard. Maybe if I just try like moving a lot,
Round
let him
starting.
waste all his shots. No, he reloads. Hopefully I can get a kill with the long sword today. If y'all are still watching and enjoying the video, please do like and subscribe. I work hard on these videos and would appreciate it. I'm a quarter of a way to... I'm 3/4 of the way to 1,000 and would appreciate it if you guys could subscribe. There we go, I'm off. Now I'm onto the mini knife. Like I said before, I'm 3/4 of the way to 1,000 subs. I'm in a subway with my friend to see who can get to 1,000 first. And right now he's winning, but by barely. I can come back. Yes, man, he's dead. Oh my, this is gonna be hard. I'll make him waste it. How does that hit me? Holy moly, knife is so buns. Holy, they need a buff freaking knife, bro. It's so awful. Genuinely, how is he hitting that? I don't know how much damage I've done. That's not enough. How? Genuine? How is he hitting these? They need to buff knife, bro. It's genuinely one of the worst melee. The worst melee.
Match starting.
Holy. Yes, I'm finally off knife. Genuinely one of the worst weapons in the game. Okay, now I'm on IP.
Starting.
There we go. Now I'm unboxing glove. This is gonna be a very long video. Yes. No, frick, missed. Holy. Next up is machete, which is in 2 HUD. Then we got shovel. Ah. Okay, hey, I'm not too good with melees. Why can't he just stand still and let me kill? I want to skip this video so badly so I can just get it over with. But I'm not gonna. Okay, now we're on shop. And then after that, smoke grenade and grenade launcher. If I win this. Oh, fig, that was a nice headshot by him. Alright, let's go, let's go. It's so winnable. Come on, I can do it. I believe in myself. I'm gonna get him. Okay, he uses Deagle. Hey, AI. Can we get an instant replay on that, please? I hit that guy. Thank you. Holy. Now it's the moment I have not been
Round
waiting.
starting.
Smoke grenade. I basically already lost it. I really can't win this anymore. Yep. Dude, don't shoot me! No! I lost. You have to get below. Guys, look at this! I could not get a kill with smoke grenade, so I'm gonna just show you guys the clip where I completed the challenge, but the file was corrupted.
Round starting.
Holy, that was a long video. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. I worked really hard on recording it and editing it just so that you guys would like it. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video all the way. Okay, I'm gonna try something new with the outro. Is there like a string I can pull? Editor me, just like pop down the string, please. Oh, okay, I guess I just grab that and pull down. It's not... Phil, what's the point of adding that if it doesn't work?